Drummond stands for handmade, classic quality. Actually, we were so bloody good at restoring bathrooms that we were asked to restore the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh's bathrooms, which we did, highly successfully. I suppose one of the reasons why we specialise in bathrooms is because I love original bathrooms. I love the originals of different shapes and sizes and colours. In the Victorian days, the Edwardian days, we made some magnificent pieces, and I thought to myself, well, we got to make the same sort of pieces, but we got to make them for today's world rather than for 100 years ago. There is nobody else in the world who makes the bath, the basins, the taps, the loo seats, the whole range. You get a company that might make bars, you get a make chinaware, and a company that might make the brassware, but not everything. The advantage is, because we make everything, we can make everything to fit with each other, to suit each other. By using traditional methods, we can make more complicated pieces. We go to a lot of trouble in the design of our taps and our tap spouts, in other words, and they all have a completely unique look. We can make the most fantastic products because we have the most fantastic setup. Nobody else in this world has the same setup as we do. I believe that we are unique because anybody who comes into our showroom will see everything in that showroom we make. And all the products have been made to go with some of the other products. So we have big bars, we have big taps, we have big basins, we have big taps or long throw taps. We make the plungers for the basins, we make the rubber plugs for the basins. We make a handmade chain for the basin. And it's all a certain scale, and it matches. The British are very good at doing things, and my view is, if you're going to do something, you may as well make the very best. And I believe now we are the best bathroom makers in the world.